This video will show you a few ways to find scholarly or peer-reviewed journal articles for your assignment. If you start at the Resch Library website and go to the middle of the page where you can click the databases link, and then if you know the name of a database, you can go directly to it by using the alphabetical list, or if you want to see what databases we have in different subject areas, you can browse the databases by subject. But I'm going to start with a database called Academic Search Complete, which covers many disciplines. Academic Search Complete is an EBSCOhost database, and we have many databases from EBSCOhost, and I'm going to show you how to limit your search in Academic Search Complete to scholarly or peer-reviewed, but also know that you can do the same thing in the other EBSCOhost databases. And if you want to see what other databases there are, if you go over here to Choose Databases, a full list of the EBSCOhost databases will come up, and you can see that there are a lot of them. But I'm going to just stick with Academic Search Complete in this case, and I'm going to go ahead and type in a topic. And then what I'm going to do is to scroll down here in the section called Limit Your Results, and I'm going to click the box for scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. And then I'm going to run my search. So the results are back. I didn't limit to anything else, so you can see I got a lot of results for Academic Search Complete's articles on global warming that are from scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. Now just know that if for some reason you didn't limit your search to scholarly journals before the search, there is another opportunity to do so using this box after you're done with the first search. But in this case, we have limited. I might want to also go down here and perhaps limit to more recent articles just to cut down on the numbers and also to be sure I have current information. So I'm going to go ahead and update, and that cut down the results quite a bit. Another way to be sure that I've looked for peer-reviewed journals is to look for this icon for that stands for an academic journal, and so that is another way. Yet another way to be sure that it is a journal that is peer-reviewed is to click on the title, and you'll see here there is source, which means the journal title, and if I click on the title itself and then scroll down to the bottom where it says peer-reviewed yes, that means that yes, this is a peer-reviewed journal. Now you should also be aware that not everything that is published in peer-reviewed journals is a peer-reviewed article. So you also want to make sure when you're looking at the description here that document type is article, because there can be letters to the editor and other types of material that are not substantive articles that appear in peer-reviewed journals. Another way to tell if a journal is peer-reviewed is to simply Google its name and go to the publisher's website. I'm going to go to the website for the American Journal of Environmental Sciences. And usually there will be a description on the publisher's website that may very well include the words peer-reviewed. And in this case, that is the case so that I can know immediately that this is a peer-reviewed journal. Often, if it is not listed right on the top page, if you go to Instructions to Authors or Guide for Authors, there may be mention of the peer review process. So those are a few simple ways to identify peer-reviewed journals and articles within peer-reviewed journals.